Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So there is a very good question on biostatistics, which is usually asked in real ADET exam. So a group of researchers mistakenly concludes from a poorly designed experiment that acetaminophen cures a common cold. These researchers have committed which of the following type of error? So 1 minus beta, alpha, beta, type 1, type 2. In order to answer this type of question, you must know like what is like 1 minus beta, what is like type 1 error and type 2 error. So and it is all included in null hypothesis. So answer of this question is it is a type 1 error. So here is the answer. So type 1 error. Why is it a type 1 error? Because the researchers rejected the null hypothesis. Null hypothesis means that there is no effect, but they said it is like effective in curing the common cold. So they reject the null hypothesis. They should not have that. Like they should not have rejected that. In other words, they conclude a significant result when actually it doesn't exist. This is particularly a dangerous error to make. It can lead to administration of the ineffective drug to the patient in the need of life-preserving treatment. So always remember 1 minus beta is the power. And the alpha error, it is like used, but alpha is the whenever we compare with the p value, alpha corresponds to the p value. And then we have beta error is not used. So remember always type 1 error, type 2 error. 1 minus beta is the power, and which things increase the power, like what decrease the power. And always make sure you draw the table of null hypothesis in the rough sheet given during the ADET exam. You will receive 1 to 2 questions from null hypothesis. Sometimes they're very simple, just like 1 minus beta is power, or power is 1 minus beta. And sometimes question like this, like they forget or they didn't reject the null hypothesis. So make sure you revise this topic by your heart. Thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel.